The CYCRA CRM handguard is the most advanced wraparound handguard on the market. It has 3 levels of intellectual property protection on it. First of all, how the bars are made. They are unique that they are machine cut out. These aren't just bent to shape. These are actually cut out CNC billet machine bars. CRM clamps. The CRM stands for center reach mount. That means that the clamp is getting as close as it can to the handlebar clamps in the center of the motorcycle. The location is patented where it fits up on the handlebars. And then we have the trademark dip of the PROBEND shape. Invented by CYCRA, this gives excellent freedom of mobility, and it's a comfort for the rider to have. We're going to do the install on the CYCRA CRM PROBEND bars. The clamps are included. You also get spacers, so you have extra adjustability. In your PROBEND kit, you have our power grip bar ends. These bar ends need to be attached to your PROBEND bars. There are 2 sizes to these barrels. This is a larger diameter barrel used for steel handlebars. Most handlebars are aluminum bars. That's why the smaller unit comes on the power grip bar end. To get the PROBEND bars to mount onto these handlebars, we're going to have to cut the throttle grip and the throttle tube. Now that we have the end of the rubber grip cut off, you can see the throttle tube is exposed. We're going to take a hacksaw, we're going to cut the end off. We're going to go very little, at the most 1/8 of an inch. Now we have a nice clean cut on there. What we want to do is we want to loosen the throttle and get this to slide down a little bit here. And then we'll tighten it back up. We want to check for burrs, anything that could hang up on the throttle, using a little bit of sandpaper. If you need something a little bit rougher, you can use a file. We got that cleared out of here. We're going to loosen that throttle back up, and we're going to give some clearance. So when we turn the throttle, that this throttle housing is not going to get caught up on the bar. Make sure that you have the right clamps for the right bars. There's 2 sizes. There's a 7/8 and a 1 1/8. Most oversized bars are 1 1/8. Now we're going to fit everything together loosely. Double check all the fitment. We've noticed that the brake hose seems to be pushing down. Now what we'll do is we're going to remove these bolts, bring the master cylinder on top, and the hose will lay on top of this clamp. We've loosened up the master cylinder and lever so the hose before was going underneath here. We brought it on top for clearance on here. Now we're checking that we have clearance here. Nothing's binding, everything's clearing. Now we're just going to tighten this thing down. This is a unique feature of CRM, that it has all this clearance. Okay, we've got everything tightened down where we want it. We've adjusted our master cylinder and our levers, making sure everything has nice clearance. We've made sure the throttle is nice and free. It's not getting caught up on the bars or anything like that. So everything's put into place. Now what we have to do is put on our shield, and then also we have our grinder. This grinder mounts on the side right here. Something also unique about the CRMs that there are other shield variations that you can order separately for the CRM. You can get a lower profile. This is the classic Enduro shield that comes with the CRM. Excellent coverage for off-road racing. Alright, we have the shields mounted up, the grinders put on, everything's tightened down. Ready to go racing.